Hello friends, this is Kushal and welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you the fourth chapter of Vistas. The book of 12th class means The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. Friends, Pearl S. Buck is an American writer. As usual, let's discuss the theme of the chapter. Here, Pearl S. Buck glorifies the profession of a doctor. A doctor's prime duty is to treat his patients at every cost. Means whatever the circumstances are, a doctor is bound to do his duty. His religion, caste, creed, and nationality is to treat his patients and give them life. In this story, we will see how he rises above narrow thinking, prejudices, and nationality by treating and serving his enemy. Friends, the story was set during Second World War when America dropped atomic bomb on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Under such circumstances, a Japanese doctor named Sadao Hoki found an American prisoner of war in front of his house. However, as a true patriot, he should have handed him over to the police. He pondered over the situation and found himself in a dilemma, but later he gave preference to his medical instincts and brought him home, treated and served him. In this way, he rose above narrow thinking, prejudices, and nationality. He proves that his religion was to provide life to the patients despite adverse condition. Okay, so let's come to the text now. It is the time of the World War. Yes, it is the time of the World War, and an American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Actually, the story was set in the time of World War and especially Second World War. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore. Washed ashore होता है बह करके आना, पानी में बह करके आ गया था वो in a dying state and his condition was desperate. His condition was means very crucial. He was in dying state. मरने की स्थिति में था and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. He finds himself at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? So we will see if he should save the life of the patient or hand him over to the police or to the army as a true patriot. Okay. Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast where, as a little boy, he had often played. Actually, Dr. Sadao's house was situated Dr. Sadao's house was situated above the Japanese coast, okay, where as a little boy he had often played and his childhood was spent there only. Japanese coast पर ही इसका बचपन बीता था. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach. उसका जो घर था वो नैरो बीच पर, ठीक है, कहाँ बना हुआ था? नैरो बीच पर बना हुआ था उसका घर। एंड सेट अपॉन रॉक्स, चट्टानों के ऊपर था, और चट्टानों के ऊपर जो उसका घर था वो स्क्वायर स्टोन से बना हुआ, और लो, उसका लेवल जो था लो था, मतलब, ठीक है। द हाउस वॉज लो एंड मेड ऑफ स्टोन अपॉन द रॉक्स अबव अ नैरो बीच, ठीक है। That was outlined with bent pipes. It was outlined. Outline means surrounded, and it was surrounded by pines. Pines, a kind of tree. एक प्रकार का पेड़ होता है, पाइन्स के पेड़ों से घिरा हुआ था उसका घर. As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines. When Sadao was younger, when he was a boy, he used to climb up the pines. पाइन के पेड़ों पे वो चढ़ा करता था. Supporting himself on his bare feet means he climbed up the tree with the support of his bare feet. अपने नंगे पैरों की सहायता से वो पेड़ पे चढ़ जाता था, क्योंकि बिल्कुल सीधे होते हैं वो, ठीक है, कोई सपोर्ट नहीं होती उनके ऊपर, तो वो पैरों की सपोर्ट से ही चढ़ जाता था, नंगे पैरों की सपोर्ट से. As he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. Actually, he had learned climbing up the pines by imitating people in the South Seas when they used to climb for coconuts. He used to go to South Seas along with his father. अपने पापा के साथ वो साउथ सीज पे जाता था. वहां पर उसने लोगों को देखा हुआ था कि किस तरीके से कोकोनट्स तोड़ने के लिए लोग पेड़ों पे चढ़ जाते थे, कोकोनट के पेड़ पे चढ़ जाते थे. तो कोकोनट के पेड़ भी बड़े सीधे से होते हैं, सीधे, ठीक है, सीधे होते हैं. तो इस तरीके से उनको देख करके वो सीख गया था पेड़ों पे चढ़ना. ओके, लेट्स प्रोसीड. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas, and his father usually took him to the islands of South Seas, and never had he failed to say to the little brave boy at his side, and he often told his son, means he never hesitated in saying this thing, क्या, those islands yonder. Yonder means there. ये yonder का मतलब क्या होता है? there. तो अक्सर मतलब उसके पापा उसको वहां पर ले जाते थे, साउथ सीज के जो आइलैंड है वहां पर, और उसको जो है बोला करते थे कि वो जो आइलैंड्स योंडर वहां पर, दे आर द स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स टू द फ्यूचर फॉर जापान. वो जो आइलैंड्स हैं वहां पर वो स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स हैं, सफलता की सीढ़ी हैं, टू द फ्यूचर फॉर जापान, जापान के फ्यूचर के लिए, ठीक है, कि भाई जापान जो है संघर्ष करेगा, मेहनत करेगा, और जो है जापान का फ्यूचर बहुत आगे जाएगा, प्रोग्रेस करेगा जापान काफी. तो यहाँ पर जो ये आइलैंड की बात हो रही है, जिस आइलैंड की तरफ इशारा करके बोलता था अपने बेटे को, वहाँ आप जो है ये लेंगे, इससे मतलब कि वहाँ पर प्रोग्रेस चल रही होती थी, वहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रीज एस्टेब्लिश हो रही होती थी, ठीक है, लोग मेहनत कर रहे होते थे. तो मतलब ही टोल्ड हिज सन दैट the future of Japan depended on the work hard done by the people for the growth of Japan's economy. Okay, so वो जो है वर्क हार्ड पे डिपेंड करता था जापान का फ्यूचर, ठीक है. Where shall we step from them? Sadao had asked seriously. Sadao in a serious tone asked his father where they would step from there. मीन्स उन आइलैंड के बाद वो कहाँ स्टेप रखेंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे. हु नोज, कौन जाने. हिज फादर हैड आंसर्ड. हिज फादर यूजुअली सेड, उसके पापा अक्सर कहते थे ये बात कोई नहीं जानता था. हिज फादर यूजुअली सेड दैट नोबडी न्यू इट. हु कैन लिमिट आवर फ्यूचर, बिकॉज नोबडी कुड लिमिट द फ्यूचर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट वी मेक इट. मीन्स कहता है कि ये जो फ्यूचर है डिपेंड करता है जो हम इसे बनाते हैं, मतलब जितना हम मेहनत करेंगे, जैसी हम मेहनत करेंगे वैसा हमारा फ्यूचर होगा. तो वो अपने बेटे को भी यही समझाना चाह रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर को ब्राइट बनाने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, जितनी हम मेहनत करेंगे उतना हमारा फ्यूचर अच्छा होगा, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे सीखने वाली बात है बच्चों Yes. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. Sadao was an obedient son. Okay, he followed his father, so he had retained this advice in his mind. Okay, and he always did what his father told him to do. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him, who was his only son. Actually, his father never played with him, nor he had fun with him, but he was very much concerned about his life, about his education, about his son. ठीक है, वो उसकी लाइफ के बारे में, उसके एजुकेशन के बारे में, अपने बच्चे के बारे में कंसर्न बहुत ज्यादा था. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern, and Sadao was also aware of it, that his father was concerned about his education. For this reason, he had been sent at 22 to America. And this was the reason that Sadao had been sent to America at the age of 22. 22 साल की उम्र में ही उसको अमेरिका भेज दिया गया था. To learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine, so that he could be expert in medicine and surgery, ताकि वो मेडिसिन वगैरह और सर्जरी वगैरह में एक्सपर्ट हो जाए. He had come back at 30 and at the age of 30 he came back. 8 साल की बाद वापस आया वो. And before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist. And when he came back, he became a famous scientist as well. Okay, means along with the surgeon. सर्जन के साथ साथ वो एक साइंटिस्ट भी बना. ठीक है, because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Because he was perfecting a discovery. Actually, he was perfecting a discovery. वो एक डिस्कवरी कर रहा था, खोज कर रहा था, एक उसमें उसकी परफेक्शन की तरफ काम कर रहा था. Which would render wounds entirely clean. जो क्या करते, wounds को पूरी तरह से क्या करते, क्लीन कर देते. He had not been sent abroad. और इसी वजह से उसको अब्रोड नहीं भेजा गया था, उसको बाहर मतलब बॉर्डर पे नहीं भेजा गया था उसको विद द ट्रूप्स, सेना के साथ. ठीक है, ट्रूप्स क्या होती है, द रेजिमेंट ऑफ सोल्जर्स. ठीक है, रेजिमेंट जो होती है मतलब सोल्जर्स का ग्रुप जो होता है उसको ट्रूप्स बोलते हैं. सो मीन्स ही वॉज परफेक्टिंग ए डिस्कवरी विच वुड क्लीन द वुंड्स entirely. This was the reason that he was not sent with the troops. Also, he knew there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically. And second reason for not sending him with the troop was that the old general of the army, okay, needed an operation, means might need an operation anytime for a condition for which he was now being treated medically. Actually, he was taking treatment from Dr. Sadao, and he might need an operation anytime. And for this possibility, Sadao was being kept in Japan, and that's why Sadao was kept back in Japan. He was not allowed to go with the troop. So you may be asked the question here, why he was not sent with the troops. So दो reasons थे. He was perfecting discovery which would make the wounds entirely clean, and secondly, the general was suffering from an ailment, from a disease, and he might need an operation anytime. Okay, तो ये आपका यहाँ से बन जाएगा. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. अब जो है ओशन से, समुद्र से क्लाउड्स जो है वो उठ रहे थे, बादल उठ रहे थे. The unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. देखिए अनएक्सपेक्टेड जो वार्म मीन्स गर्मी ऑफ द पास्ट फ्यू डेज, पिछले कुछ दिनों की जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड गर्मी से हैड एट नाइट ड्रॉन हैवी फॉग, पिछले कुछ दिनों से काफी गर्मी हुई थी और फिर रात को हैवी फॉग जो है हो गई फ्रॉम द कोल्ड वेव्स, ठंडी हवाएं चल के, होता है ना कई बार ज्यादा गर्मी के बाद फिर ये तो बरसात हो जाती है या कहीं आसपास बरसात हुई तो उसकी ठंडी हवाएं चलती हैं, ये सब तो इसी तरीके से तो जो है हैवी फॉग आ गई थी और मतलब रात को कोल्ड वेव्स जो है, कोल्ड वेव से ज्यादा फॉग वगैरह मतलब आ गई थी, ठीक है। सदाओ वॉच्ड मिस्ट हाइड outlines of a little island near the shore and then come creeping up the beach below the house. सदाओ ने देखा, मिस्ट देखा, धुंध को, कि क्या कर रही थी धुंध, हाइड कर रही थी आउटलाइंस को, ठीक है, बॉर्डर ऑफ अ लिटिल आइलैंड, एक छोटे से आइलैंड के, नियर द शोर, शोर के पास एक आइलैंड था, उस आइलैंड के बॉर्डर को, उसकी आउटलाइंस को मिस्ट क्या कर रही थी, कवर कर रही थी. सदाओ ऑब्जर्व्ड मिस्ट hiding the outlines of a little island near the coast, near the shore, and then come creeping up the beach below the house, and gradually the mist was coming near the coast, और coast के पास, उस मतलब beach below the house, जो घर के मतलब घर जो है चट्टान के ऊपर था तो उसके नीचे की तरफ मतलब मिस्ट आ गई थी बीच तक, ठीक है, धुंध फैलती फैलती आगे बीच तक आ गई थी. रीडिंग अराउंड द पाइन्स, ठीक है, इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स फॉग वुड बी रैप्ड अबाउट द हाउस टू, और ये रीड कर रही थी कर्ल बन करके पाइन्स की तरफ, और कुछ मिनट्स के अंदर ये घर को भी क्या कर लेती, रैप कर लेती, ठीक है. इन ए लिटिल टाइम द मिस्ट वुड कवर द हाउस एज वेल, डॉक्टर सदाउज हाउस एज वेल, उसके हाउस को भी अभी धीरे ये कवर कर लेती थोड़ी ही देर में. एंड देन ही वुड गो into the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting for him with the 2 children, and then he would go inside. Then he would go to his room. He would go into his room where his wife, क्या नाम उसकी वाइफ का, Hannah, would be waiting for him, okay, along with 2 children. तो एक तो डॉक्टर सदाओ हो गया कैरेक्टर इसमें, उसकी वाइफ हाना और उनके 2 बच्चे, ठीक है. तो ये अब तक कैरेक्टर्स इसमें आ गए. बट एट दिस मोमेंट द डोर ओपन्ड एंड शी लुक्ड आउट. अभी इस पल क्या हुआ कि दरवाजा खुला एंड शी लुक्ड आउट, और उसने बाहर देखा. किसने बाहर देखा, हाना ने. ए डार्क ब्लू वुलन हाउरी ओवर हर किमोनो. She was wearing a dark blue woolen hauri over kimono. Kimono a kind of dress, Japanese dress होती है. हाउरी भी एक लूज गारमेंट होता है किमोनो के ऊपर पहने जाने वाला, ठीक है. तो she was wearing a dark blue woolen hauri. Okay. You may see hauri in this picture. ये जो लूज अपर गारमेंट है, दिस इज कॉल्ड हाउरी, इसको हाउरी बोला जाता है. एंड दिस इज किमोनो, ये ड्रेस जो होती है ये किमोनो कही जाती है. She came to him affectionately and put her arm through his as he stood. तो वो आई और लविंगली आती है, वो अफेक्शनेटली आती है सदाऊ के पास. एंड पुट हर आर्म, और उसने अपने बाहें जो है सदाऊ के ऊपर रखी, ठीक है. पुट हर आर्म थ्रू हिज, मतलब सदाऊ की बाहों में अपनी बाहें डाली. एज ही स्टूड एंड स्माइल्ड एंड सेड नथिंग, और स्माइल किया, ठीक है. एज ही स्टूड स्माइल्ड एंड सेड नथिंग, और जो मतलब सदाऊ है वो खड़ा हुआ, स्माइल कर रहा, उसने कुछ भी नहीं बोला, मतलब चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. ही हैड मेट हाना इन अमेरिका, एक्चुअली ही मेट हाना इन अमेरिका, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure she was Japanese. But before falling in love with Hannah, he waited for some time. Means he waited until he was dead sure about her nationality. जब तक वो उसकी नेशनलिटी वगैरह के बारे में श्योर नहीं हो गया कि वो जापानीज ही है, ठीक है. His father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her race. उसके पापा जो हैं उसको कभी भी देखो रिसीव नहीं करते unless she had been pure in her race, जब तक वो अपनी रेस में प्योर नहीं होती. अगर वो जापानीज नहीं होती तो उसके पापा उसको बहू के रूप में कभी भी स्वीकार नहीं करते, ठीक है. और सदाओ was an obedient son of his father, so he would never get married to a girl whom his father disliked, ठीक है. Okay, he wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hannah. तो कहता है कि he wondered, वो सोचता था often, प्राय, whom he would have married, कि शादी किससे करता वो if he had not met Hannah, अगर हाना से नहीं मिलता तो. बस he was very happy with Hannah and he often used to think whom he would have got married if he had not met Hannah, and by what luck he had found her in the most casual way, and he remembered how luckily he had met Hannah. How luckily, कि कैसे कितनी लकीली मतलब वो हाना से मिला था. By chance, literally means by chance, बिल्कुल. At an American professor's house he met Hannah. At an American professor's house, अमेरिकन एक प्रोफेसर था, उसके घर पे वो हाना से मिला था. The professor and his wife had been kind people, anxious to do something for their few foreign students. अब ये प्रोफेसर की ही बात हो रही है. उस जो प्रोफेसर था और उसकी जो वाइफ थी, है ना, had been kind, वो बड़े kind people थे. Anxious to do something for their, they remained eager to help their few foreign students, okay, to show hospitality towards them. बड़ा उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए, हॉस्पिटलिटी दिखाने के लिए बड़े उत्सुक रहते थे, वो ईगर रहते थे प्रोफेसर और उसकी वाइफ. एंड द स्टूडेंट्स दो बोर्ड, और हालांकि जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो हालांकि बोर हो जाते थे उनकी हॉस्पिटलिटी से और उनकी केयर से, उनकी काइंडनेस से. हैड एक्सेप्टेड दिस काइंडनेस, और उनकी इस काइंडनेस को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते थे. हालांकि बोर होते थे पर वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेते थे, स्वीकार कर लेते थे. सदाओ हैड ऑफन टोल्ड हाना how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house. So now he is telling us the name of that professor. Okay, कौन है वो प्रोफेसर? प्रोफेसर हार्ले. तो क्या वो अक्सर हाना को बताता था कि how he was not going to visit Professor Harley's house that night when he met her. कि जिस रात वो उससे वहां पर उसके घर पे मिला, उस रात वो जाने वाला नहीं था. उसके मन में बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी जाने की वहां पर, ठीक है. क्यों नहीं थी? The rooms were so small, the food so bad. Actually, the rooms were quite small and the quality of food was also not good. The professor's wife so voluble, and the wife of the professor was quite talkative. Voluble means talkative, garrulous. You should remember these words. They may be helpful for synonyms. Synonyms लिखने के लिए आपके लिए helpful होंगे. Garrulous, talkative, okay, gabby. G-A-B-B-Y, gabby भी जो होता है voluble होता है. So his wife was talkative, she was garrulous, and so he did not like all this, and he was not about to go there. वो जाने वाला नहीं था वहाँ पर. By chance he went there, but he had gone. वो चला गया, and there he had found Hannah, and he met Hannah there accidentally. ठीक है. A new student. Hannah was also a new student and had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. And as soon as he saw Hannah there, he felt that he would love her if it were possible. ठीक है. If she were Japanese, and ठीक है, अगर वो Japanese होगी तो. Okay. So you can see that Professor Harley played an important role actually in bringing them together, है ना. It was Professor Harley who used to invite the foreign students at his home, and it was at this place that Sadao met Hannah, okay, and liked her, and then later married. If he had not gone there, he would not have met Hannah, and his marriage with her would not have been possible.